agirimiti na kiama kia UDA. Oho no mathingireirie waragania ubine wa kamiti ya IBC makiuga mihango ino ifatie gukuruhania anyiti itemi othe no ti aria mari thirikari rumwe mari aika. Mubi wa Shege ari na ripoti ino.
Miario ya mwandiki munene wa kiama kia ODM Edwin Sifuna akieherania kiama giki na guthoga mihango ya ubi wa kamiti ya IBC niwe ararakite atongoria a mwena wa mung'ethaniro. Mutongoria wa kiama kia DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa akihinyiriria kiria omarenda ni waragania mihango-ini ino.
This time when we are discussing the issue of IBC, you see the likes of Kina Sifuna, the likes of Kina Junet Mohammed trying to castigate the real opposition leader.
The principle we put in NADCO of consultation was not between individuals called William Samoei Ruto and Raila Odinga. The principle that we put in NADCO of consultation and concurrence was between the government and the opposition.
Thutha wa mucemanio na ameba a kiama kiao, Wamalwa augite ni mahitia aria mari thiini wa thirikari ya urumwe gwifacirira mihango-ini ino na aria marenda mayukie giturwa kia muikariri giti na makamishna, akiuga no nginya a Kenya othe makuruhanio.
And if we end up with a William Ruto Raila commission, we will not accept it.
Muthenya wa ira Sifuna ni aragiritanirie kiama kia ODM na mwena wa mung'ethaniro. Wamalwa na Kalonzo makiuga ngwataniro ya Azimio ya kwire riria mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga aigirire wiguano-ini na thirikari.
When our friends in ODM openly signed agreement with Kenya Kwanza outside Kenyatta Conference Center, in my view that marked the end of Azimio.
Leo nataka niambie wana ODM, mambo ya Azimio yalikwisha. Msituite tena Azimio. Azimio is as dead as a dodo. Azimio died the day Raila Odinga donated his 4 experts to Kenya Kwanza government. Hapo ndio mlianza mpando wa kando, mukahama Azimio, mukaingia kwa kitanda na Zakai.
Na riri ishara ria Ruto gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya rirakinya muthenya wa rucio, atongoria ni mateanirie uge wake gicigo-ini giki. Wamalwa akiuga metereire atiri ha icera riri marike kuo mathime uge wake.
1,000 I mean the 2,000 shillings people are being given and the trip is over. They return to Kikuyu or wherever they came from and they have finished the 2K and they will not vote in Kameme. William Ruto is not just lying to himself, he's deluding himself, because what we know, the mountain has moved. So talking about the impact on the mountain, wacha Ruto amalize, sisi turudi huko na Rigiji, tuongee na watu wa mlima, we see what will happen.
We've asked our people, go out, show respect, get maximum. Give even them the indication that they control the mountain, which they don't, I can tell you. And when we move out there will be no William Ruto and Kenya Kwanza in the mountain and in a lot of places in this country. I'm told the Western region is boiling.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.
Nacio county 31 riu iri ugwati-ini wa kurwo ni kigina kia mabilioni ma mbeca kumana na mutaratara mweru wa ugai wa kigina uria wendekithitio ni kamiti ya ugai wa kigina kia muingi CRA, undu uria riu ukireirwo na njira nene magavana. Imwe cia county iria ikuhutio muno ni undu uyu ni hamwe na county ya Nairobi iria ikurwo ni ciringi milioni 696, county ya Nakuru yurwo ni ciringi milioni 491, ugu county ingi ta Nyeri, Kiambu, Meru na Murang'a ona cigikudererwo ni mbeca ciacio kuria no county 16 ikuguneka na nyongerera. Mwandiki witũ Bataru wa Mwangi hari na ripoti ino.
Nĩ kanjũ ya magavana ĩrĩa ũmũthĩ ĩkinyirie mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya Senate ĩgiĩ kĩgĩna na bajeti. Itanya-inĩ nĩ arĩ gũtetera kĩgĩna gĩa thirikari cia kaunti. Rĩu magavana makĩoneka kũrarakwo nĩ itanya rĩa kamĩtĩ ya ũgai wa kĩgĩna ya CRA harĩ kũrehe mũtaratara mwerũ wa ũgai wa kĩgĩna kĩa mũingĩ.
equalization fund was going to...
Kurigana na magavana mutaratara uyu mweru ungitikirio kaunti 31 ni ikorwo ni kigina giacio kuria kaunti ya Nairobi itongoretio ikirwo ni kigina gia ciringi milioni 696 na Ikuru yorwo ni ciringi milioni 491 uko nayo kaunti ya Meru ikirwo ni ciringi milioni 265.
Every time we have a new team coming with new experiments, and this will again, Chair, ensure that for the longest time the discussions, the argument, the fights will never end.
Nige mutaratara uyu ngiambiriria kurutithio wira na ukuhutia kaunti ya Murang'a ukimitunyukithia ciringi milioni 230, kaunti ya Nyeri yorwo ni ciringi milioni 260, Nyandarua yorwo ni ciringi milioni 192, Kiambu yorwo ni ciringi milioni 191, uko nayo kaunti ya Embu ikinyihirio kigina kiayo na ciringi milioni 175.
No county should lose any money based on the allocations that they received the last time.
And I propose that no county should receive less than 6 billion. A number of counties we get less than that. And it is a hard task to run a county.
Kurigana na mendekithia maya, no kaunti 16 ikuguneka na kuongererwo kigina giacio, ari ni hamwe na kaunti ya Garissa iria kuongererwo ciringi bilioni 1.97, kaunti ya Marsabit iguneke na kuongererwo ciringi bilioni 1.3, Isiolo yongererwo ciringi milioni 951, Kajiado yongererwo ciringi milioni 751, uko na kaunti ya Wajir ikiongererwo ciringi milioni 644.
For you to earn more money next year, don't build a hospital in a place where there's no hospital. Because once you do that, then that calculation now, the distance decreases. This is the formula that actually CRA have actually proposed to yourself.
Kajo ya magavana egekirira nganja gukinyanirio kwa mutaratara umwero wa ugai wa kigina riu makiorota kamiti ya CRA kumana na guthugunda undu uyu kiundutho hatari ugererekio wothe riu CRA igiukirirwo ni kuhuthira ikiro cia ukia o hamwe na uria kaunti irahiririe kana gukuhiriria mucii munene wa Nairobi ta maundu maria mahuthikite gukinyaniria kigina kiria kaunti ifatie guthukirwo.
The poverty parameter should take into consideration measure of poverty gap changes so as not to be rewarding poverty and instead incentivize production and economic activities.
I fear that the more we hang on this thing of poverty index, the more counties will want to pretend that they are poor because it affords them an opportunity to get more money.
Oho CRA yorotwe gikwirwo gukuruhanio na ciiko cia ungumania hari gukinyaria famire no njeru kuria ikwirwo kurutithania wira na kaunti imwe niguo igunike guku nacio kaunti ingi igicerehorirwo mbeca ciao.
There was a lot of exchange including money changing hands among the commissioners. It was in the press. Has the Senate summoned, and especially this committee, invited the CRA either to dispel or confirm?
Hadunia Kameme TV returakwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.
Na cihandite wega thaa 1:26 njitikiria mwiroreri nginyie hau maria ngukuhariirie thiini wa gikujo gitu kia mohoro matura-ini mangi ni kumamukira wona ciahanda thaa 3 ni njitikaga mura wa ndungu na tuma na wa ngui wa Mwagi thiini wa metha ya utauri ya na wiroreri mwega.